Hi everyone, Christian here from Bold TCRC. Now you know we're big on educating our customers here at Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, and one question I get asked all the time when people come to pick up their caravans and trailers is how long are my bearings going to last? Now it's a pretty broad question and one where a lot of factors come into play. Not only is it the quality of the bearings that you need to keep in mind. Now when you do bring it to us, we only use quality Japanese bearings, but you also need to take into account the grease that's used, the amount of kilometres you're going on, the braking system you have, and the terrain that you're taking your trailer and caravan over. All these come into play when it comes down to how long your bearing is going to last. Now when you bring your trailer or caravan to Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, we don't just change your bearings, you know that. It's a service because there's more involved in keeping your trailer and caravan safe on the road than just changing your bearings. So if you want to know more about it, or if you've got any more questions that you'd like us to answer, please let us know because we would love to answer them for you. So that's Christian from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre.